morning, students. Yesterday we have started this chapter circles. In these circles we studied this radius of the circle, center of the circle, diameter of the circle. The segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle, and the segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called this chord of a circle. The chord passing through the center of the circle is called as a diameter of the circle. Then radius is half of this diameter, and diameter is twice of this radius. Then here some questions given. If the radius of a circle is circle is 5 centimeter, what will be the diameter B? Here radius of circle is given 5 centimeter. Then what will its diameter? Diameter is equal to twice of its radius. Then you write here formula: diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Then here radius is given 5 centimeter. 2 into 5 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Means diameter of this circle is 10 centimeter. And second one, if the diameter of a circle is is 12 centimeter, what will its radius be? Radius is half of this diameter. Diameter is given here 12 centimeter. Then you write here this radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Then here diameter is given 12 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. This radius of a circle is answer 6 centimeter. Then here giving again some examples. And then in homework you complete this all solution, right, and complete this. See, third one, if the radius of a circle is 3 centimeter, what will be the diameter B? In this type of this solution you write and write this answer. Then fourth one question, if the diameter of a circle is 20 centimeter, then what will its radius be? Means you write here radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Then here radius is equal to diameter is given 20 centimeter divided by 2. Then answer you write here is 10 centimeter. Then next one point in this circle chapter, interior and exterior of a circle. Interior and exterior of a circle. Interior means inside of this circle and exterior means outside of this circle. Here points given. A, this point outside of circle here, then inside D, here E, P, F, on the circle here B, C, here Z, inside this X, and here Y. Then interior and exterior of a circle. In the circle here points A, B, C, points A, B and C on the circle. Then points D, E, F, P inside of the circle means it is an interior of the circle. Then points X, Y, Z are the exterior of the circle, means these points outside of this circle is called as the exterior of this circle. Then you write here interior of the circle, interior of the circle. Which points are interior of the circle? Points D, comma, E, comma, P, comma, F. And exterior of the circle, exterior of the circle. Here exterior means outside of the circle. Which points here? X, Y, Z and Y. Points X, comma, Y, comma, Z. Interior of the and exterior and points on the circle. Points on the circle. Which points on the circle? Point A, point B and point C. Then see this problem set 30. In the table given below, write the names of the points in the interior and exterior of the circle and those on the circles. Here figure given, which points in the interior, which points in the exterior and which points on the circle. You write here names. Then this remaining part tomorrow, then in homework you complete this problem set 30 and this today's class work. Okay, bye.